Okay, we're here on the corner of 23rd and 8th Avenue. The Parrots for Peace are making a big hit here. Got people coming in from the street. We'll pack this place. Gloria, how do you feel about this being here with all the...
They love bananas, and this is a wonderful place to meet everybody from around the world. They just came from the Chelsea Film Festival, Rooted in Peace. They're part of Rooted in Peace, and they're enjoying the fruits of Mother Nature. Thank you, Paul.
All righty. Now, anybody ever see such a thing? You never have. And they're all family. She had the babies. She had two babies, the mother, the father, and the two babies. Those are all the same family. No? She's a naturalist. These are the peace parrots. The parrots of the world, seriously. They're in the UN, they're all around. Okay.